Hello, my friends. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video, we will talk about the shipping of AliExpress. When you drop shipping from AliExpress, do you notice the AliExpress shipping frame is almost a month to everywhere? Europe, North America, Latin America. Why AliExpress shipping is so slow? Don't jump out. I will tell you why. And when you know the secret, you'll be the king of the e-com world. Reason number one, the business model of AliExpress. AliExpress is letting the merchants to sell their products to the countries as many as they can. So the merchants can sell their products to Europe, to North America, Latin America, Australia, Africa. So when building the shipping transit route, it can cost tons of money, and it's really hard to balance the shipping speed or the shipping range. So for AliExpress, they choose to build the shipping range as first rather than build the speed to the certain countries. Reason number two, the Cainiao sorting center and the last mile deliveries. The company is called Cainiao and it's owned by Alibaba. Cainiao is doing operation of the shipping for AliExpress. And when Cainiao is building the sorting center in the different continental, like they have hubs in Europe, the hubs in North America, and hubs in Australia. But I will tell you how the hubs work. For example, in Europe, when the people buy from the AliExpress, merchants send the products well packed to the annual sorting center in China, and after the flight take off from China to the Europe in Liège, in Belgium, and after the flight landing in Liège, parcels finish the customs clearance in Belgium, and Cainiao will use the truck to deliver it from Belgium to the France, to the Germany, to the Italy, to the Spain, to the Portugal, and after the local postal will do last mile deliveries. So it takes a long time from sorting center to a certain country. Reason number three, AliExpress offers free shipping. And the shipping cost is very crucial and critical for the online business. Free and low shipping cost means slow, unreliable services. Expensive shipping means fast, guaranteed services with high standard services. You can imagine when you ship with FedEx, UPS, DHL Express, they cost you a lot of money, but they can guarantee with a certain estimated delivery time and also standard services. So that's why AliExpress offers free shipping, which means they are not guaranteed for the shipping quality and the shipping time to the sellers and the buyers. Reason number four, most of the merchants on AliExpress, they are not the manufacturers or the factories. They are third-party trading companies. So which means these companies, they are not holding the inventory for the products. When customers buy the products from their stores, they just purchase from the manufacturers or the factories. So during this time, the product shipping from the factories to the merchants can generate the shipping labels, and they can send the tracking numbers to the customers. So that's an issue pop up. The customers may facing first fake tracking numbers, and second, the tracking number cannot track because the parcel is not dispatched or picked up by the shipping companies. So there are lots of reasons mixed with the slow AliExpress shipping time. Do you know which shipping company or shipping solutions can offer quick, reliable, guaranteed service to the online sellers? It's us, eCommerce.net. We offer air cargo, safe freight, international direct line, commercial express. If you want to know more details about our shipping solutions, please contact hello@eCommerce.net. It's all about today's videos. See you guys next week. Bye.